Assalamu alaikum and I welcome you all to Mashal Tariq Knowledge Venture channel. In this video, we will start solving questions of exercise 7B D4 chapter number 7, which is vectors in two dimensions. So what is question number 9? The diagram shows three vectors A, B, C. On a sheet of squared paper or graph paper, draw appropriate triangles to illustrate the following vector additions: A plus B, B plus A plus C and B plus C. What is it? It is A having this, B is this and C is this. So if you draw these for A plus B will have the shape of this: A, B, and this double arrowed will be A plus B. Now question number 9B. For B plus A, B, A, and this double arrowed will be B plus A. Now what about C, which is A plus C? A, C, and this vector will be A plus C. Now what about D? B plus C. B, C, B plus C. Question number 10. PQRL is a quadrilateral. Simplify the following: PT and TR. Again, remember this T and T are repeating, so the resultant of this will be PR. Q plus QR. Again, the middle point is repeating, so the resultant will be SR. Now what about TR and ST? The first and the last are repeating, so we will reverse the method. It will be SR. Now what about SQ and QT? Middle one is repeating. The answer will be ST. Now what about SQ plus QR? The addition of the first two will be SR. Now SR plus PS will be PR. RQ plus QT. RQ plus QT will be equal to RT. RT. Now TP plus PS will be TS. And RT plus TS will be equal to RT plus TS will be equal to RS. Now question number 11. The diagram shows three vectors A, B and C. On a sheet of squared paper or graph paper, use the triangle law of vector subtraction to illustrate the vector subtraction. So we need to draw A minus B, B minus A minus C and C minus A minus B. A, B, B, and this will be A minus B. And if you remember, B minus A, B, and B minus A will be this. Only the change of direction, because in this the direction of A and the resultant will be same. Now what about C? C is A minus C. A vector A vector C, and this will be A minus C. Now what about D, which is C minus B? C minus B. This is C. This C. This is B. So this will be C minus B. Number 12. The diagram shows a parallelogram ORTS where OR is equals to a vector R and OS is equals to vector S. Express the following vectors in terms of R and or S. So if it is a parallelogram, so OR will be parallel to ST, and so OR will be parallel to ST, and both of these will be represented with the R. Similarly, OS is parallel to RT, and this will be represented with S also. So question number 12. A, as we know, RT is equals to OS. RT is equals to OS is equals to S. Now, for B, TS. TS is equals to RO, which is equals to minus of OR is equals to minus R. Now, for C, OT is equals to OR plus RT. Now, where is OT? OT is this, and OT will be equal to OR plus RT, and it will be equal to R plus S. It will be equal to R plus S. Now, what about D? D is RS. D is R. RS is equals to OS minus OR is equals to S minus R. Write the following if possible. Question number 13. A R S is equals to RS plus S of T is equals to R of T. We have discussed now many times. It must be very easy for you now to guess the answer. So RS minus RT. So can you write this in the addition form? So RS plus TR and TR plus RS. So it is equal to TS. Now C is RT minus RS is equals to RT plus SR is equals to SR plus RT is equals to ST. Now D, not possible. Now what about E? Write RS plus S of T. So it will be R, which is RS plus TR minus TU. So RS plus TR plus UT. So UT plus TR plus RS. So UT plus TR, it will be UR plus RS, and it will be equal to US. Now question number Question number 14. Find the value of x and y in the following. So let's solve question number 14 part C and solve simultaneously in order to find out the values of x and y. So what is question number 14 part C? It is this: y and 3 minus 4 2x is equals to 6 and x. Y minus 4 3 plus 2x is equals to 6 and x. Y minus 4 is equals to 6 and y is equals to 10. Substitute 3 plus 2x is equals to x and x is equals to minus 3. So x is equals to minus 3 and y is equals to 10. Is 15. The diagram shows three vectors P, Q, R. On a sheet of squared paper or graph paper, draw the appropriate parallelograms to illustrate the following vector addition. Question number 15, part A. Q, P. So this will be P plus Q. For part. So P plus R, this is P, this is R. So this will be P plus R, P, R. Now what about D? D is Q plus R. If this is R, this will be Q, R, R.